guys, it's Chris with Nationwide Products. Today I'm going to be talking to you about PegLock and how to install the PegLock strap. I've had a lot of inquiries here lately on how to do it, so today we're going to show you. We're going to put this rifle inside this 2014 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to put it right here. Accessible, but also concealed from public. This is how we're going to do it. What we want to do is attach the PegLock boards to underneath the seat here. But the problem is, it's not so easy. As you can tell, there's not a very good spot to drill these into. What we had to do is find the frame and cut out some aluminum strips. These are 1/4 inch thick, and we're going to drill these to the frame like this. And we bent these at a 45-degree angle, so when the person sits in the back seat, they're not going to feel the bar. Gives it a little room. So we're going to attach these here, and we're going to put the PegLock board right on top of that. Once you got set up, to put the rifle in, it's pretty easy. Just use the pegs here on the side to support it. Connect it, cinch it, it's ready to go. We got it on a slight different downward angle here because he's got a supply box here that he has to get around. But we also put in 2 extra sets of pegs here so you can have a spare magazine. This concludes the PegLock strap kit installation on this 2014 Chevy Silverado. Remember, there's more than one way to install this system, but you gotta admit, this one came out pretty good. Until next time, keep training.